Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the February Thai Beauty bag. This month the theme is roses and hearts, so the majority of the products in this edition will have either rose as an ingredient or will have something related to heart shape. So I'm pretty excited to know what all we have. So let's quickly start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. So we have all the products bubble wrapped here, so let's open that first. So this is how the first product looks like. It is a sling bag in black color. You have the choice of the color and the design of the bag this month, and this is what I chose. Here are the other bag designs to choose from. As you already know, the Thai Beauty bags are of really good quality. Here it has a bow and these rhinestones on it. And I chose black because it is a very classic color. Black goes with everything. The material of this bag is of PU or fake leather material. It is a very soft material though. This is how it opens and this is how the sling is. The sling is also of really good quality. And we have two chains inside. And inside that also we have a small pocket like this for any valuables. We have for the products here. So this is how the bag looks from inside. Very spacious. This is going to be perfect for day-to-day wear, like casual use to office or college, or if you're going out for dinner, shopping, anything. Just the right size, not too big, not too small. It will carry all your essentials. So I'm quite happy. The quality is quite good. Backside also there is a zipper. So quite happy. The design looks really good. So the first product here is from Eatables and this is the Rose Hydrosol Floral Water. This says it is distilled of rose petals, moisturizes, hydrates and soothes. It's a 100 ml full size bottle. It's organic, 100% natural. In the ingredients it is 100% rose water. The cost of this product is $350. Manufactured in December 2017, best before 11/2020. Here are the directions for use. You can use it as a toner or as a face mist. You can mix it with your face packs like the powder ones, and rose water is so versatile. I need not tell you guys how many benefits it has. Here also there are some benefits written. And I really like that this has a spray packaging, so as a toner or a face mist it is really convenient to use. It has a very strong and prominent fragrance of roses. That means it is not a very diluted product. It is quite pure in its form. And I really like this brand. I have used some products from Eatables like their cleansing milk and some more products, and they were really good. So I am very happy to receive this product. And rose water is something you need to have at your home every time, like aloe vera, rose water. These are like must-have products at home. They are so versatile. And up next we have a product from a known brand, BioBloom. It is their skincare face pack for all skin types. It is their apricot and aloe vera variant. It's a 50-gram product. Here is the complete list of ingredients, which looks really promising. They also have written the directions for use. You need to apply it for 15-20 minutes. Cost of this product is $4.99, best before 18 months from 12/2017. This product is free from parabens, formaldehyde, sulfates and petrochemicals. I have used BioBloom face packs and they are really good. They are a bit nourishing actually. You will not feel that it dries out your skin or anything, and I believe this is going to be the same because it has aloe vera as well. And as such, I love face packs. I use them very frequently. Apart from my CTM routine, I have told you guys I use face packs the most. So I'm very happy to receive a good organic face pack. And since summers are coming up, I will be using face packs like crazy now. And along with that we have another BioBloom product, which is this after bath oil. It has almond and licorice. It is a 30 ml sample and it is manufactured in 4/2017. In the ingredients it has sesame oil processed with licorice, sandalwood and amla, coconut oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, olive oil, vitamin E oil and almond oil. So from the ingredient list itself you can guess how good this oil is. And since it says after bath oil, this is just a replacement product for your body lotion or body butter. So instead of those you can apply this. And I do like applying oils to my body because my body is usually very dry, especially during the colder months. I have really dry skin for my body, so I'm quite happy to receive this, and since it's a small bottle, I will be able to finish it up before summer comes. So I'm quite happy about this product too. But apart from this, there is a small sample of foot cream as well, so you will be getting one of these two, either this after bath oil or the foot cream. Even the BioBloom foot cream I have used, that is also really good. So either ways you will be happy. And then we have two products from another organic brand, Nature's Van. I have used their shower gel, food cream, lots of products. There were some unique products as well, like underarm lightening and all. So what we have received here is rose and lychee body butter. It's a 100-gram full size tub, and the packaging also really nice. Here are the claims of the product. In the ingredients, it has rose water, lychee extract, kokum butter, nutmeg extract, wheat germ oil, almond oil and aloe vera extract. MRP is 350 rupees, manufactured in October 2017. And this is how the tub is. It is a huge tub. They have a second layer of packaging as well. I really like that. And this is how the consistency of the body butter is. It is not too thick as well, but it is quite thick than any usual body lotion. And the fragrance, guys, is so amazing. It smells like roses, as the theme is this month. It smells amazing. I love the fragrance. I would totally love to use this. And Nature's Van products are really good, so I'm quite happy to receive this. And the second product here is from Nature's Van again, and this is the Rose Petals Fizzy Pedicure Soak. I have used a Fizzy Pedicure Soak from this brand itself, but it was another variant. In the ingredients, it has Epsom salt, essential oils, sea salt, olive oil, sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, rose water and rose petals. Here are the instructions for use. MRP is 250 rupees. Expiry is August 2018. Even though it is manufactured very freshly January 2018, because these products do not have preservatives, so they will expire quite soon. Packaging is good again. And this is how the product looks like. It has a very light pink color, almost white, but a slightly pinkish tint is there. And the fragrance is again of roses and really nice fragrance. And rather than food soaks, these fizzy food soaks are really interesting and fun to use. You will really enjoy this food soak. So those are all the products in the skincare section. They still have more products because we have a makeup product here from Miss Nails. And this is how it looks. It says affects nail color because it has lots of beads or textures. As you can see, it has some hearts and all, which will get applied to your nails. So I am really happy with this product. It is a 10 ml product. It says it is a 5-free nail color. It does not have all these bad chemicals in it. And the MRP of this product is 179 rupees. The packaging of these nail paints itself is really nice, and I love this nail paint, and it is going to look so nice as a top coat. I love applying such texture nail paints on my normal color nail paints because they really change the look, just how I have applied right now. So upon the red one, I have applied this golden and black one. So you can apply this on any color nail paint. It looks really pretty, or just like that if you like more natural nails kind of look. Really pretty. The packaging, the color choice, everything is really good, and all of you guys will be getting this particular shade. There's no shade choice, and this is a really good choice because it's red and it has hearts, so it is perfect for the Valentine month. And then, as always, we have a piece of jewelry here. This is a small stud earrings, but it looks really pretty. This is perfect for daily wear and casual use, and the color is also like off-white color that goes with all outfits. And as for the theme and the month, it is in heart shape. They have not included this as a product, but I will definitely count it as a product because it is a earring and it is a good quality one. And to my surprise, this month we have also received some Eatables in the Thai Beauty bag. It is the first time we have received some Eatables. And the first one here is this cookie cake in chocolate variant, 23 grams product. And this one here is a pastry cake, again chocolate one with cream, and this is for 10 rupees, 25-gram product. I actually really like receiving such Eatables in any subscription box. It is like something you can enjoy immediately, so I really like getting some Eatables. It kind of completes the entire box for me, so I'm quite happy that they have added some Eatables as well. So those were all the products in the February Thai Beauty bag. We have 5 full-size products, 1 sample, a superb bag, a small surprise accessory, the earring and eatables, and all of these together is priced at just rupees 7.99 including shipping. I am totally awestruck this time. I mean, these are all really good brand, guys, and I love these products. Let's have a look at the info card here. We read the price of the BioBloom product as $4.99. The Inatur Herbals Rose Hydrosol Floral Water also we read as 350 rupees. The Nature's Van Body Butter is for 350 rupees. We also read the price of the Miss Nails Nail Color as 179. The Nature's Van Fizzy Pedicure Soak is for 250 rupees. The small surprise accessory, they have not added any price. And then we have the bag, of course, and some sweet treats. So the total worth of the skincare and makeup products come to above rupees 1700. Plus we have got a very good quality sling bag in color of your choice. So definitely it's a very good deal savings price. And all products apart from the bath salt are frequently used essential kind of products. So this box can be used by all. Even for a bit older ladies or for even younger girls, I completely trust Thai Beauty. They do a lot of research before putting any product in their bag. They want to promote only pure and organic products. So these are totally skin safe products. A lot of names like naturals and herbals in some brands are misleading for us customers. But these are products filled with all goodness and no harmful chemicals. So even a young girl can use this. And I also liked how they have made the Valentine edition all themed around roses and hearts. It's a really good curation. If you like roses and rose fragrance, you should not miss this bag. You will fall in love with all these products. They have such nice fragrance. So cutting long review short, I love the Feb edition. It is one of the best. Awesome brands, all organic and good quality products. Most products are skincare essentials. Then a premium quality bag and jewelry too. So all in all, a big thumbs up from my side. Surely recommend trying this out to all of you. If you like organic products, this is the one-stop destination for you. All details on where and how to order are mentioned in the description box below. If you like this bag and are interested in buying, then do check it out. Also from this month onwards, they are giving options of buying only bags, like excluding all the products to their customers. So you can buy any of their bags like December bag, January bag, February bag, like that. So you can contact them on the same details from the description box. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. And please don't forget to participate in the giveaways running on my channel. There is a small princess box mini hamper giveaway and a huge 15,000 giveaway running on. So make sure you check out both and participate in them. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.